Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the preparation of phenol from Unit 11 hydroxy derivatives and ethers lesson. The first one is Dow's process, so that is from haloarenes, and then second preparation from benzene sulfonic acid, and then third preparation from aniline. Okay, first let us see the preparation of phenols from haloarenes. So a halo means halogen group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So these are the halogen groups. So when you say halo mean fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodine. So arenes mean benzene structure present mean that is arenes group. So first we prepare phenol from haloarenes. So here we take arene, and in the present any one of halo group, that is fluoro or chloro or bromo or iodine. The first one, when chlorobenzene is hydrolyzed with 6 to 8% sodium hydroxide at 300 bar. So here bar means atmospheric pressure and 633 Kelvin in a closed vessel, sodium phenoxide is formed. So sodium phenoxide means in the presence of benzene, ONA present mean that is phenyl group, ONA present mean that is sodium phenoxide is formed, which on treatment with dilute HCl gives phenol. So first I take chlorobenzene, that is haloarenes. So this is a benzene structure, so arene structure. So here I take chlorine, so that is chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene is reacted with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide formula is NaOH. Okay, and the next one is, here the temperature is 633 Kelvin and 300 bar. 633 Kelvin and 300 bar. So here bar means atmospheric pressure. And here sodium phenoxide is formed. So how sodium phenoxide is formed here? So removal of HCl. So minus HCl. So what is remaining? Benzene structure and ONA. So this is represents sodium phenoxide. And next one is, here again it is reacted with HCl. So here NaCl is removed. Sodium chloride is removed. So what is remaining in a benzene structure? Here O, here hydrogen. So removal of NaCl. So in a benzene structure, OH present means that is phenol group. So this is the first preparation of phenol. And then second one is from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene is sulfonated with oleum and the benzene sulfonic acid so formed is heated with molten sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin gives sodium phenoxide, which on acidification gives phenol. So first benzene sulfonic acid is taking here. So benzene structure, sulfonic acid means SO3H present means that is sulfonic acid. In the presence of sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin. So here same thing, sodium phenoxide is formed. So after that in the presence of HCl, so it gives phenol. So first we take benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene structure. SO3H means that is sulfonic acid. So benzene sulfonic acid in the presence of sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. At 623 Kelvin. So here it is removed, and what is remaining? Na is remaining. So that is sodium phenoxide. Okay. So again it is reacted with HCl. So here sodium chloride is removed. NaCl is removed, so minus NaCl. So it gives phenol. So that is OH. So this is represent phenol. So first, benzene is sulfonated with oleum and the benzene sulfonic acid. So formed is heated with molten sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin, gives sodium phenoxide, which on acidification gives phenol. So first, benzene sulfonic acid is taken and next one is molten sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin. It gives sodium phenoxide. So which on acidification, so here I take hydrochloric acid. So here NaCl is removed and remaining OH is present. So here benzene structure and OH is present. So which on acidification gives phenol. So phenol means in a benzene structure OH present means that is phenol. And next process name is from aniline we prepared phenol. Aniline is diazotized with nitrous acid. So what does nitrous acid mean? The mixture of NaNO2 plus HCl. So here NaNO2 plus HCl. So that is nitrous acid. So aniline is diazotized with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin to give benzene. So what is aniline in a benzene structure? NH2 present means that is aniline. OH present means that is phenol. So only nitrogen and hydrogen 2 times they are taken. So that is NH2, that is the structure of aniline. Okay. And next one, to give benzene diazonium chloride. So benzene structure, diazo means N double bond N present means that is diazo, benzene diazonium chloride. Okay. So here benzene is present here. So this is known as benzene diazonium chloride. And next one, which are further treatment with hot water in the presence of mineral acid gives phenol. So any mineral acid you are taken in the presence of hot water, it gives phenol. So once again I explain this. Aniline is diazotized with nitrous acid. So here nitrous acid is NaNO2 plus HCl. So that is nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin to give benzene diazonium chloride, which are further treatment with hot water in the presence of mineral acid, it gives phenol. Okay, let us see the equation. Okay, first we take aniline, the benzene structure NH2, because nitrogen atomic number is 7. So in first shell we fill 2 electrons, second shell remaining is 5. So how many electrons is needed to complete this orbital? So this shell, so here we complete, we want 3. So 3. So 3 is the valency of nitrogen. So around the nitrogen 3 bond or 3 hydrogen atom is present. So here H2 times, here 1. So around the nitrogen 3 is present. So valency is completed. So this is aniline structure. So benzene, so NH2, so this is aniline structure. So in the presence of nitrous acid, so nitrous acid means HNO2. At what temperature is taking here? 273 to 278 Kelvin. 273 to 278 Kelvin. So here NaNO2 and next one is what is I said? So that is HCl. So here benzene diazonium chloride is formed. So benzene means, so that is benzene structure. Diazo means N double bond N means diazo chloride. So benzene diazonium chloride is formed here. So here we remove water molecules and sodium hydroxide. So water molecules means here H2, here one O is removed. And next one is sodium hydroxide. So here Na and next O and remaining H is removed. So what is remaining? Here one N, so here another one N, so here Cl. So N double bond N Cl. So benzene diazonium chloride is present. So one is positive, so this is negative. And next one, so here further treatment with hot water in the presence of mineral acid. So hot water means H2O I taking here. So H2O is ionized like this, that is H plus OH minus. So here hydrogen is reacted with chlorine, so it is converted into HCl. So plus HCl. And here one nitrogen, here another one nitrogen, so that is N2. So what is remaining? OH only remaining. So benzene structure, here OH is present. So this is phenol. Okay, so aniline is diazotized with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin to give benzene diazonium chloride, which on further treatment with hot water in the presence of mineral acid gives phenol. So first one is Dow's process. Here chlorobenzene is reacted with sodium hydroxide in the presence of 633 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure. It gives sodium phenoxide, and which on treatment with dilute HCl gives phenol. So that is the first one. And then second one from benzene sulfonic acid. So here benzene sulfonic acid is taken, that is reacted with sodium hydroxide in the presence of 623 Kelvin temperature. So sodium phenoxide is formed in the presence of HCl. So that is which on acidification. So we use hydrochloric acid, it gives phenol. And next one from aniline, phenol preparation. So aniline in the presence of nitrous acid. And next one from aniline. Aniline is diazotized with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin to give benzene diazonium chloride, which on further treatment with hot water in the presence of mineral acid gives phenol. Okay, so that's all for preparations of phenol. Thank you, students.